So hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is about a simple guide on how to add links to the email of your body while sending out any email using Meek.com. Because as we know, while using simple Gmail app, you can just integrate a hyperlink into any text of your email body and then the reader will be redirected to that link that you have given. But how do we do it in Make.com? Because there is no such specific setting where we can integrate a hyperlink into a Make.com message. So I'll just show you how I've done it. First, I'll take a simple email example. Great. So it has given me a simple subject and the content. Okay. So what I want to do is I want to integrate a link to this saving hours every week. So it can be any link. So let's just, I want to include a link of google.com in this saving hours every week. So what I'll do is I'll just copy this message, and as you can see here, Mic.com has already written you can use HTML tags. So we'll be integrating the link using HTML tag. I want to hyperlink the tag saving hours every week. The link is google.com. So give me the complete message in HTML form. Okay, great. So this has given me an entire HTML message. So I'll just copy this message and paste it here. So now when this email will be sent out, it will have the link integrated google.com to this saving hours per week without being any changes to the original message. Now I want to show you an example email so you could believe that this actually works. So this is an automation in which I pull off the emails from this Google Sheets, and then the email is sent with this subject and this prompt and with this body to the client. Here I'm basically marketing my digital prompt pack which I've created, and even you can check it out. There'll be a link in the description below that will help you get better results while using AI. So I've used the same HTML format, and here I have integrated the link of Gumroad where I've listed my digital product. So let's see how this email was sent. And I've even made a video on how to get more than 500 emails for potential leads within just 15 minutes and then automate this complete process of email sending. I've made a separate video of that, so you can check out that video too. So I'll just show you a sample email of what this email looks like. So this is what the email looks like. Hey, I've been experimenting with AI tools, etc. And here I've integrated the link to my digital product. So this is how you integrate hyperlinks to your email while you're using Mic.com. I hope you got some value out of this video. I'll see you in my next one. Till then, goodbye.